In the meantime, the unfinished 9-story mixed-use building in Balibago, Angeles City, which collapsed late last month and took at least 30 lives with it, was not only structurally up to code, but its owners, the Golden Years Construction and Steelworks Corporation, were also found culpable of OSHA and labor laws violation. Our Elijah Canlas has more on the 11.4 million peso fine slapped by the Labor Department on the building owners.
The Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, has fined the owner and contractor of the collapsed building in Angeles City, Pampanga more than 11 million pesos that killed estimately 30 people. Under the order of Acting Labor Secretary Francis Tolentino, owner Jackson Lim and the company Golden Years Construction and Steelworks Corporation must pay the fine for multiple law violations. The company's liabilities includes RA 11058 for violating occupational safety and health standards. The department also found out that the company continued operations despite a previously issued work stoppage order. Tolentino explained the details of the violations discovered during the department's inspection.
The DOLE found that Jackson Lim and Golden Years Construction and Steel Works Corporation were liable to pay a total of 11,426,798 pesos and 50 centavos, representing 1,102,798.50 pesos for labor standards violations and 10,324,000 as an administrative fine under Republic Act number 11058 for willful violation of occupational safety and health standards.
The company also allegedly failed to pay its workers properly Saturdays and holidays. He added that the firm violated occupational safety standards by failing to provide personal protective equipment and temporary accommodation for the workers. It also allegedly lacked a permit for mechanical lifting equipment. Besides this, the secretary said some documents submitted by the company were found to be forged.
They also submitted, take note of this, fake and invalid certificates for the project's first aider and safety officer. Hence, DOLE will also endorse the complete case records for appropriate action to the NBI and to the Angeles City LGU.
The department will endorse the case record to the NBI, or National Bureau of Investigation, and the Angeles City local government for further legal action. Elijah Canlas for The Nation.